Hi, it's Paul again here, and in this video I want to talk to you about utilising webinar reminders. Now it's really important to send out reminders because people will book for the webinar and then they'll forget about it. They may put it in the calendar, they may not. But if you send out a series of emails, and depending on what marketing platform you're using, it's also possible to send out SMS text messages. It's up to you to determine what schedule that you'd like to use, but I would suggest that you send them out the day before, an hour before, 15 minutes before, and at the time of the start. In your reminders, be sure to use the name of the webinar title, the date and the time, and I'd suggest you'd also use your name as the presenter. It's always good if you can personalize any kind of communication with your users. So embed their name in the subject line and in the body of the email or in the text message. It makes it feel much more personal. In your reminders, you should also tell people about the benefit of the webinar, the value they're going to get, and this will help to motivate their desire to attend. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use webinars to skyrocket your appointments, then please join my Facebook Mastery group. The URL is in the caption here and in the link in the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.